Experiment 6b. Aim: to study different types of joints with given specimens. Materials required: human skeleton. Theory: structural arrangement of tissues is called joint. These tissues connect two or more bones together. Joints can be classified based on their structure and function. Human skeletal joints, fibrous joints, immovable joints, between the bones of skull, cartilaginous joints, slightly movable joints between the vertebrae of the backbone, synovial joints, free movable joints, surrounded by tubular capsule, gliding joints, pivot joints, hinge joints, saddle joints, ball and socket joints, condyloid or ellipsoid joints. Function of joints: they allow movement between the bones they connect. They make the body flexible for various activities. Disorders of joints. 1. Arthritis. It happens due to inflammation of joints. Arthritis is of two main types, with rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. 2. Stiffness of joints. Due to depletion of synovial fluid in a joint it happens. It is a common problem in old age people. 3. Injuries of joints. Some of the common joint injuries are as follows. In dislocation, bones are moved from their normal position in a joint. B. In sprain, a tear in ligament causes sprain. C. Cartilage tear happen because of twisting of joint. Types of joints. 1. Fibrous joints, immovable joints, made by white fibrous tissues, visible in the form of sutures, found in skull bones. 2. Cartilaginous joints, formed by cartilage, facilitate slight movement. Vertebrae are attached to each other by cartilaginous joints. 3. Synovial joints. There is a capsule covering the joint, which is called synovial capsule. It is affiliated with synovial fluid. Synovial fluid helps in lubrication of joints for easy movement. These joints facilitate free movement. Types of synovial joints. A gliding joints. These are FL joints. Twisting movement is not possible. Allows only to and fro and side-to-side movements. Found in bones of carpals and tarsals. B. Pivot joints. Found between the skull and the first vertebra. Pivot joints allow rotational movement. C. Hinge joints. Found between the atlas and axis vertebrae. These are joints of knee and elbow. Hinge joints allow movement in a single plane. D. Saddle joints allow movement in two planes. Look like ball and socket joints but are less developed. Found in metacarpals, metatarsals, and phalanges. In this case, the ball is a small projection from one bone and affits into a saddle-like depression in another bone. Ball and socket joints times allow movement in more than two planes. The joints between humerus and glenoid cavity and that between femur and acetabulum are examples of ball and socket joint. This joint allows in all directions. Precautions. Be careful while observing the specimen. Handle the specimen carefully. Observe even the minute structure.